And then it's been charged up. The new Hoover. Anyway, there was only one block on the battery when I actually just started charging it, so I'm going to give it a good charge. As you can probably see, this is the first room I'm going to hit and that, but yeah, so far so good. I'll give you a demo tomorrow of the tools you can use with this, okay? And as I say, I've watched it enough times on YouTube to know how to use them, and in the settings and all that. I haven't actually turned it on as yet, but anyway, you'll see it tomorrow. There you go again. Thing about this Hoover is it's pretty easy to assemble. It's taken me literally 10 minutes. Could have been quicker, to be honest with you, but anyway, pretty easy to assemble. And the actual rubbish thing comes out quite easy, as you can see. Not much effort really. That's the rubbish container anyway, the filter. With the animal model, you actually get a spare filter apparently. Not one of these, I'm talking about the brush. This get a spare brush, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't unduly matter, does it? It's only me. But anyway, but this is the rubbish container, as you can see, and it goes back in quite easily. This is the quick demo of the Bosch Athelet. Yeah, it's very quiet actually. The only time it gets like really loud really is when it gets onto Max 3. But as you can see, it gets around corners. It's quite a versatile Hoover, and you kind of let this run as long as I can. So you do get actually a good 16 minutes out of it. But there we go. But anyway, this is the Bosch Athelet wireless Hoover. No cables. You can see how easy it is as well. But if I want to increase that, I'll do that. It's like turbo back. But I normally keep it on to